Hello dear students. As you know that we are doing our third chapter, okay, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Okay, very important chapter and it is related to your way of life, how you deal with and how you present yourself in the society. So this chapter is very good for your personal habits, your personal communication, your personal fitness, how you live your life, and what your lifestyle should be. Okay, so very important, and you have to go through very properly. So what we have discussed in this chapter, first of all, we have discussed about the physical fitness. See, fitness comes with the uh, food we intake or how our work schedule is. So our fitness relate with that. Suppose you are sitting in an office and you are working throughout the day, throughout week long, and that is your lifestyle. So definitely your physical level will be somewhere it will not meet the demand. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to do some acquire some positive lifestyle. You have to involve yourself in some activities. You have to have good food and good diet. So we have discussed about the food materials and food stuff you take every day. So what we have discussed, most of you are generally, we all are like that. So generally we are not taking the right food material. So if we take the right food, we take the right diet, then we can acquire this physical fitness, there is no doubt. So we have discussed that what kind of food stuff should be there in our daily diet. So there are two generally, okay, nutrients. First one is macro nutrients, and second one is micro. Okay, we have discussed that macro we have three. See here, carbs, proteins, and fats. And micro we should have the vitamins and minerals. So this, if we include in our diet, definitely we'll be having good fitness level. So carbs generally the source of our diet. Okay, carbs consist 65 to 70% of our diet material, and with this we are getting energy. Okay, 60 to 70% of our diet. With this we get energy. So we should try to keep the food stuff which is rich in carbohydrates. As you can take potatoes, you can take rice, you can take all the sweeteners which are natural. They are having the carbohydrates in them. These carbohydrates help us to get the energy which is required for the work performance. So hope you have understood this carbs you should include in our diet around 60 to 70%. Okay. The next one is the protein. Protein are generally we can say that if some tissues are worn out or some cells are damaged or we are growing up, so these are the bodybuilding food materials. Means they help us to grow, they help us to maintain, and they help us to repair. So this around 15 to 10 to 15%, 15-20% you can say. Okay, we should have in our diet. So what they do, they help in the growth, repair or maintenance you can say. Okay, So these should also be included in our diet. The next part is um, fats. These are also as lubricants working for any mechanical device. Same thing, these fats work for our body. It lubricated our joints. These help us to get energy also. So these fats also around 5% we should try to keep in our diet, and it helps to maintain, okay, maintain fitness or maintain the body, you can say. So these fats are useful. Carbohydrates, as I told you, all sweeteners, natural sweeteners you can get. Proteins you can get naturally, those are vegetarians, they can get from the pulses, they can get from the gram, okay, they can get from soybean, milk. These are the sources for vegetarians. Or those who are non-vegetarians, they can get from the fish oil, flesh of different animals, okay, and many other sources are there you can find. So we can get the proteins. Fats we can get from oil, ghee, butter, milk. These all things are the sources of fat. Now this part help us to develop our body, help us to maintain the fitness, and this part help our body protected. Vitamins, there are many, okay, around 13 vitamins are there. So these are found in different types of food materials, green vegetables. So you can take that. Minerals, as you know that goiter was a very common disease in earlier days due to the lack of iodine. Is a mineral. So these iodine, when mixed up with the salts, when we intake, we can fulfill the lack of this mineral in our body, and that we can include through the common salt. So these are the minerals. Some other minerals also, phosphorus, calcium, these all are necessary for our body. You can get from different types of fruits, and you can get from different types of green and leafy vegetables. So these are available, you can take. So that all we have discussed last time, and hope you have understood everything and carry forward. I will carry forward from tomorrow. Okay, thank you.